Hi guys, so I've just built the best way to store your files for your projects. So here, this is Drip, and this is my dashboard here. I've got some assets on Drip and some folders. So let's get straight into the folders. So I'll create a new folder here called Images, and we have a couple of access types. We have public, private, and signed. So for this demo, I'll be using a public folder. I've created this folder over here. I'll go into my images folder and I'll upload an image. So I have this image over here and I'm uploading the image. So now this image is uploaded on Drip. I can get the URL or download it. So I get the URL, go on a new tab, and this is the image. So Drip supports transformations on the fly. So I can basically make this a WebP image if I wish to, and if you save it, you get your WebP image as well here. So I can also change the quality of the image by just doing this. So quality 50, lossless compression. I can change the width if I want to, sorry, and width is equals to 300, say 300. So let's do that. You see, it's so fast. And yeah, we have a lot more transformations as well. It's all on the documentation. So this is this image. We can also add some blur if we'd like to. So blur, let's say blur is equals to 30. Yes, so it's blurry now. We can do blur is equals to 3. So let's blurry, and if we save this image, we should get highly compressed because it's 8.9 KB now, because it's less quality and it's blurry. So yeah, that's one of the things you can do. We also support video files. You can upload videos, you can as well upload PDFs as well. So these are transformations here. So we keep a log of all your transformations, what you've done. You can also create transformation presets, so you don't have to do this transformation all the time. So say you have an e-commerce website and you wanted a particular transformation for the images on your e-commerce website, so you can do them here. So we can go on create preset, and you have a sample image here. You give your preset a key, a name, a format. So format can be WebP, and we support all these formats for images and videos. You can give the fit, width, height, the quality of the image, the crop focus, the rotate, the DPR, the blur, the background color when you crop the image, or your corner radius. So making changes here should reflect on your actual image. This is an image sample here on the right, so we can make it with 300, and we see the effects on the right here. Yeah, and yeah, we have these signed or private folders. So say we create a image private folder, for example, sorry, signed folder. Now you can set a default link expiration, so I'll leave 1 hour here and I'll create this folder, and I'll go to my image private and I'll upload that same QR code that we used in the first demo. So yeah, it's uploaded. So now if we get the URL, it should be a signed URL, as you can see here. So yeah, after 1 hour this image will no longer load up. And we have privates as well. So private images are basically images or files that you want to keep within your organization, so we need an access key for that. Yeah, so we have our API keys here. You can issue API keys, so I can create one, for example, the demo API key. So I've created this API key, and I'll go to our documentation website, docs.drip.cloud, and basically I can then use the API here to upload media, fetch media, list media assets, and a lot more things. We have more coming to the documentation shortly. We have integration. So one of the coolest things about Drip is that you can directly import your Cloudinary assets into Drip. So I'll click on import assets here, and I have these images on Cloudinary. So I select a couple of them that I like to select here to import into Drip. So these are all from Cloudinary. We use Auth tool, so you can just log in with your Cloudinary and import your assets from Cloudinary. So I can click import 10 assets, and these should basically import the assets we have on Cloudinary into our Drip folder. Yeah, so we have our settings here where you can manage your accounts, your billing, and yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, Drip is out there. You can use Drip on app.drip.cloud, or go to our landing page on drip.cloud to learn more about Drip. Thanks.